Hello there, and in this video, we're going to show you how to register for ROE Web online. So the first thing you need to do is sign in to ROE Web through a sign-in partner or AGC key. So a sign-in partner will allow you to access ROE Web online using your existing user ID and password or credential that you may have with one of the sign-in partners. So here are the list of participating sign-in partners. And if you are registering a new GC key, you will need to create a user ID, a username, a password, and recovery security questions, and you must take into consideration the formatting requirements of each field according to the checklist on the right side of the page. After that, the second step is to create your professional profile, which includes your name and contact information. You will be provided with a user reference number which will be confirmed by email. The third step is create the profile of the organization, for which you want to issue ROEs and validate the organization by providing the organization's Canada Revenue Agency business number. And for the fourth step, you will need to validate and authenticate your identity online through CRA. You will be temporarily redirected to the CRA website to either register for or log into CRA My Account. If you haven't already registered for the CRA My Account, the registration process could take 5 to 10 business days, after which time you will be required to sign back into ROE Web to finalize the authentication process. Identity validation can also be done in person. Make note of your user reference number and visit your nearest Service Canada Center with 2 acceptable pieces of identification. Please note that the CRA My Account service is available 21 hours a day. But if you are an employer with payroll functions outside of Canada, there is an alternative method of validating the identity of a primary officer where in-person or online validation is not feasible. The fifth step is to enter your authorization code to confirm your authority to act as primary officer on behalf of the organization. This code, along with your contact information and instructions, will be mailed to the business owner or chief executive officer of your organization. The sixth step is to read and accept the agreement, which explains the terms and conditions for using ROE Web. And the last step is to start issuing electronic ROEs. So, the most important thing to remember is to activate your account within 90 days of receiving the authorization code if you want to avoid having to contact the Employer Contact Center to extend its duration. Thank you for listening.